In this video I will show you how to work with gallery on Wix. So to add a gallery, let me take a new section. I will take a blank section on it, and I got it. I can name the section whatever I want. So let me type here gallery, and let me make it something bigger, and then I need to go here, add element, and then from here I need to go to gallery. And when I will go to gallery, I can see here one have recommend, a pro gallery, grid galleries, slider galleries, more galleries. Okay, so let's see from the recommend. The first one is grid. It's mean it will show the images with the grid. And then we can see at the right side artboard, a pro gallery, and here is the grid gallery, thumbnail gallery, and I like most of them grid and the slider showcase. So let's start, and we will get the single gallery as well, the slide deck. And here have some more interactive gallery, look like that. Let's see it. You can see the gallery is look like that. If I will make it a publish, and if I will go to the new tab to see how it's interact, it's not published. Let me click publish, and then let me go to the view page, the live website, and I can see here the gallery. If I will click on it, it will be bigger. So the look is great of this gallery if you need something different. So let's remove that, and let me go to add again and go to the slider gallery. You can see this is the single slider. We can see the preview how it will interact, and here is like as when you will have the partner things, then you can do the slider shape gallery. And here have more interactive, this one. Let me make it something bigger so we can interact with that on the live view. Let me make it look like that way and make it public. Publish the website, and then let's visit it. Let me reload the website, and you can see the gallery. We can move the picture, maybe, yes, we can click on it. We can make it bigger as well on it. We can interact with the picture on live website. So this is a different gallery, and let's remove that. Let's see another galleries as well. This is the 3D slideshow gallery. Let's add it, and let's see. Make it publish, and let me reload here, and we got the 3D gallery. You can see, wow, it's look great. And delete this one as well. Let's see the another gallery here, this one, the 3D carousel. Make it publish again, and let me reload here. Okay, let's see. Yes, wow, 3D carousel gallery. Okay, let's delete this one, and let me go to add element again and the gallery, And here have the photo and video gallery, Wix shared gallery. This is the Instagram feed, we will talk about that later. And here is the most uses grid, this gallery. Like it's on your website, if you want to integrate a gallery, everyone adding this gallery most of the time. Let me make it something bigger, and let me move it left and make it bigger. And we can select the picture. Maybe there have not any default picture. Manage media. We will have option to use the Wix free image. Select all, delete, add media, image, and then media from Wix. Those are free to use, so we will use them. So let me select from here to here and add to page. Done. Let's wait. Yes, you can see I have include multiple things, and we have also option here, the settings. We can select how many items will be row and column. You can see the layout here. We can change the layout as well from here if you need, and customize layout. You can make it fit, you can make it crop, you can change the picture size from here. If you want 1:1, you can put 1:1, and you can make it fit to a screen, and set items per row. If you want to display here the 5 in a row, then you can put it. You can manage the spacing as well on the gallery, and load more button. Like as you want to display here two row, and then you want a button there for the load more. When anyone click on it, then it will display rest of the images there. Okay, and one more section, how many more images will load. Okay, here is the settings, how it will interact when anyone click on it. Open in expand mode. You can link every picture with different link as well, and nothing happen. There will be nothing will happen when anyone click on the picture, and you can open in full screen. Okay, and here is the download option, so visitor can download the original image. And here is the social sharing option. When anyone click on the picture, it will open a new open expand mode, and there have option to share it on social media. We can do that as well. And here is the design. We can change the overlay, the color now have black. We can put it like as red, and you can see it will interact, look like that way. A partial overlay also we can do, full overlay we are giving there. And here have more option how it will interact when anyone hover on it. And here is the advanced, if you will include the video here, so how it will interact when a visitor will visit the website. So on hover, if there have a video, so when you will hover over on it, then the video will play, or autoplay, or on click, when anyone click on it, then the video will play. So look like that option you can do from here. Play with sound. If the video you want a sound, then you can enable the sound from there, and you can mute the sound as well. Here is the playback, what will be speed of the video when it will play, it will loop or not. Show play button, you want to display the play button of the video or not. Left to right, right to left, how it will, what will be the gallery direction, we can do it as well from here. And Wix have the most important option. If you will upload a high quality picture, Wix will automatically make it WebP, and it will reduce your website loading time. Okay, So yeah, all of the option have there. Whatever you want to use, you may use it here. And on other platform as well have option to reduce the picture, but you need to use external plugin on it. But on Wix have the default option. Your high quality picture will be automatically convert to the suitable image. The image quality, the viewing quality will not lose, but it will be good to see. Okay, and your website speed will be smooth as well. So look like that way you can work with gallery on Wix. If you have any more question about the Wix gallery or about your Wix website, you may ask me. You may hire me to fix your any kind of Wix issue. Link in the description. Thank you so much.